Election don't talk to war inside Aproko, Edo State. Students will go there say they won't go cast their vote for Aproko University. As they reach there, now another thing even there they happen. As students reach, now their security say they no go open gates for them. I can't wonder why. One student go come school say they won't come vote now. Come decide say now won't go now no go open this thing. Now dear student come begin para for them. These people say by force by fire they go open gates. Before they go see they begin shoot things. I don't even know be na go na be na tear gas. They begin firing for them. My people beg make na follow me watch.
How will they lock the gate against them?
Why we say everything inside Edo State now it don't turn to violence? Any small thing now they don't carry gun, they don't carry this one, start to do all this wahala. Election will be say suppose they peaceful. This one a school election. Now everything don't turn upside down like this on top of waiting. Waiting on they do. And this one now your fellow students now won't vote for. But I beg security say waiting make on a log gate. Because now say suppose Gary say okay maybe waiting something they happen inside the school. Now waiting make now no let them enter. Because for now to just log it won't make any sense. Because on a normal day, if say election no day, should be that this student go enter this school normally. So why be say today of all this, now I can't decide say okay, then these students no go enter. Now they are calling the reason say maybe they don't pay them these security officers. Say maybe then these students no enter because if they enter, they will come cast their vote. And make you know like last, if the right person go enter, the right person go enter. No be about doing gra say now won't enter. Some people say they go enter there. No be vote, they won't go vote. They just won't go there, go cause wahala. And if I say this school and this Edo State, if I say nobody for the faint-hearted. I beg if not they for that side, and they hear say their election for that side, it they brutal. I can't they wonder you will be say we never even enter presidential election. This one our school election. Now all this kind of wahala they happen. I beg if say na presidential election what they happen. But I don't blame them these students. Now our government, our people now they learn from our leaders. Because themselves now so if election did now so they go they do gra they fight it. So this one self now what make them these students come realize it's okay. Make them say imitate all these kind of people. Make them say behave like them. I just now all this one join, I make them behave like this. But I beg this one don't make sense. On a be students, on a be future leaders, now supposed to behave like people who go school. No be saying now go there now, go the cast wahala. If say this the way they shoot now, go touch person, be one person can't die now. And I go carry them as right say on a go school, they don't go shoot on them. But I sure say now when I go there, go cause wahala, we can't make these people shoot. Students say, I beg, making they calm down. But my people, I hear this news, I say make I bring and come, making a service in ear, hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.